In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipient on Remitly. We'll walk through the exact clicks and fields you'll see so you can confidently set up a new recipient and be ready to send. Have your recipient's full legal name and the mobile number for their wallet handy, plus a payment card you'll use to fund the transfer. Start by heading to the Remitly homepage. On the landing page, choose Send Money. This takes you into the transfer setup flow where you'll enter your destination and delivery details. Next, choose where you're sending. Use the country selector to pick your recipient's country. If you realize the country or currency isn't right, select Start Over and choose again so the fees, delivery options, and exchange rate match your actual destination. From here, choose Send to New Recipient. This tells Remitly you want to add someone who isn't yet in your list, and it opens the form you'll complete. If you already had recipients saved, they would appear here, but we're adding a new one. Enter the amount you want to send in the You Send field. You'll see they receive update automatically based on the current exchange rate and fees. Take a second to confirm the numbers look right for your budget and the recipient's needs. Small changes in the send amount can change fees or qualify you for promotional rates. Now choose how the money will arrive. Click, select one under the delivery method, and pick Mobile Money. This option delivers straight to your recipient's mobile wallet, which is typically fast and convenient. Make sure your recipient actually has an active mobile wallet in the destination country and that the mobile number you'll enter matches that wallet. Next, choose how you'll pay for the transfer. Under Payment Method, click Select One and choose Card. Paying by card is quick and often the most straightforward choice. Keep in mind that fees and speed can vary by method, so card is a solid, reliable default for most people. Click. Continue to move on to recipient details. Enter your recipient's first name exactly as it appears on their ID or on file with their mobile wallet provider, then their last name. Accuracy here matters. Name mismatches are a common cause of delays or returns. Click Continue and enter the recipient's mobile phone number. Include the correct country code if prompted, and double-check each digit. For mobile money, this number usually must be the same one registered with the recipient's wallet account. Proceed by choosing Continue again. If you see offers or add-ons that you don't need right now, click No, thanks to keep things moving. You can always explore extras later once the recipient is set up. You'll now confirm your payment method. If you don't have a card on file, select Add New Card, then Continue. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card and complete your billing address. The billing address should match your card statement to avoid verification issues. Take your time here. Incorrect digits or a mismatched address can cause declines. With payment details in place, click Review Details. This summary is your chance to verify everything: the amount you're sending, what your recipient will receive, the delivery method is mobile money, the recipient's full name and mobile number, the card you're using to pay, the fees, the exchange rate, and the estimated delivery time. If anything looks off, use the on-screen back options to correct it before you proceed. That's it. You've added a new recipient in the flow of creating a transfer. Once you complete this setup the first time, Remitly will keep this recipient available for next time, so future transfers are much faster. Just pick their name, adjust the amount, confirm your payment method, and you'll be ready to send in a few taps. If this walkthrough helped, you can now confidently add a recipient on Remitly. Choose Mobile Money Delivery, pay by card, and review every key detail before sending. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you complete your own setup.